Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is my first in-person teaching day ever of medical school, and so I'm going to be going on campus now to do some clinical skills and basic life support, and I'm just so excited. So let's go. So we just had our first clinical skills thing, and it was basically on measuring observations, taking different observations including like blood pressure, respiratory rate, things like that. And then also we practiced administering different injections, which was really fun, into like a pad. And yeah, it was pretty fun, and that was the first time being on campus. It's a session with my tutor group, so we all just had lunch as well around campus, which was really good. And now we have our second session, which is on basic life support, so I'm gonna go for that. Oh, what a day. I'm wearing my hood right now because my hair looks really clapped, because finally I've had a failed self haircut. But anyway, so what a day. That was everything I imagined med school to be, from doing clinical skills in the first half of the day, practicing various different things like measuring all the news to observations, blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, to practicing administering injections like subcutaneous injections and intramuscular injections, to doing basic life support in the second half of the day, which involves first aid training, things like CPR, resuscitation, and what to do in emergency situations. It was amazing. It was a chance to meet my tutor group, and I look forward to doing much more of this next year. And yeah, it was just an absolutely amazing day. Just got a package, and I want to show you what it is, because it's something very useful. So as you can see, it's the Netter's Anatomy flashcards. I got these from Amazon, and basically flashcards are my favorite way of learning stuff in medical school. And instead of making this fat deck of flashcards on my own, I thought, why not just get some flashcards, the best ones, and that's Netter's Anatomy flashcards. And it's so big, and it also gives me access, it says right here, to the digital version, so I can access this online as well now. And yeah, it was definitely a great purchase, and if you want to know more about it, drop a comment down below. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day, but I don't think it's anything that's really interesting, and I don't think it's anything that'll live up to the first half of the day. So I think that's it, and I will see you in the next video.